Hi guys, welcome to another demo session. I am Thomas, a freelance software engineer, and today I'm going to show you one of my demo applications. I have designed and developed it personally from scratch. All the UI, the UX, the data model, and of course the implementation. It is a real estate web application with a client side and an admin side. On the client side, the visitors can search and view the listings, and on the admin side, agents can manage them through a set of useful features. Let's start with the home page. There is the menu on top with regular options like search, blog, about, contact. Under the menu, there is a search bar. It always stays on top. You can enter a text here and search for a city. As you scroll down, it loads more and more options, so it is a infinite loading list. Here you can choose what kind of property you are looking for. Under the search bar, there is this main display section with a background image, a title, and some text. Actually, there are three of them. You can switch with these arrows. The switch is nicely animated. In the next section, you can see two lists. One is the new listings and the second is the recommended listings. There are a few properties from these lists displayed here with the main image and the most important information. The number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the address, of course the price. Here is a link to the agents page, and if you move the cursor over the image, you can see the small icon on the top right corner rotates a bit, indicating that you can click it. If you click it, the images are loaded. I think it's a nice feature because you can view the images without opening and loading all the properties pages. If you like the images, if you like the small images, you can just click it and the click will navigate to the properties main page. This is a visually oriented page. It looks like this property has its own web page. Here is the main image, and on the left side the main information. As you scroll down, you can see the detailed informations. You can hide and show them. And on the right side there is a form to book a viewing and a link to the agent's page. Scrolling on the bottom, you can see the images, and if you want to view the high resolution image, just click it and you can view them all. It's the same up here. If you click on the main image, you can view the high resolution images. Now let's go back to the main page. The next section is another display section with a title, some text, and a action button. Under that there are a few blog posts. These can be the latest ones or the most popular ones. And we have a footer down here with some text, a menu, icons and links to the social media pages, and with a form where the visitors can subscribe to the newsletter. Okay, let's see this page on a smaller screen. As the screen gets smaller, the items are reorganized so they look well, and it is also great on mobile. There is place for the menu. The search bar moves down here. The listings are in one line, one vertical column, and of course the footer is responsive as well. Let's see the search page. On the left side there is this search menu. You can choose from basic, advanced and full. With advanced you have more option, and with full you have all the options. Let's see the basic. The city selection is the same as on the home page. You can type any city here. Let's see London. Here are the properties from London. You can also specify the property type. Let's see, we have a single family house here and condos. Let's filter condos. Now we have only condos for sale. You can add more search criteria, like we can have 2 bathrooms. Exactly. Yeah, we have 2 bathrooms. Okay, we can add more search criteria in the full section here. Let's see accessibility features. Choose wheelchair accessible. We have only one, and if we view it, yeah, it is in London, 2 bathrooms, and it is wheelchair accessible. Ordering also available here. Let's choose highest price. So it starts with the highest price, or we can reverse it. Yeah, it's okay. We have selected 8 to show only 8 results, so we can navigate to the second page, or we can choose more results per page, like 48. Now we have all the results in one page. The search page responsive as well, so it looks nice on smaller screen sizes, and of course on mobile. We have seen the most important parts of the client site. Let's log in with an admin user and see the admin panel. Here is the welcome page. On the left side there is the main menu, and here are the links to the most important features. I can view my listings. These are my listings. I am the agent. The search or filter panel works as well here. I can specify any criteria. Let's see the city, London. Here are these orange buttons. Click it and you are navigated to the edit page. This is a very long page with a lot of options and input fields, but they are grouped together. Climate control, space, location, general, and if you see the left context menu here under the edit listing menu, these are the group titles, and when you click it, the application scrolls to the beginning of the group. So it is very easy to overview these options and find the one you wanna edit. Okay, here are the action buttons. here is save, view, and back. These three can be found on the top of the page. These are shortcuts because edit something here, like this one, this building size, and click save. We go back. You can see here it's being changed. Another button is this blue view button. Click it and you can view or preview the listing. Okay, if you navigate or scroll down here, there is a trash and back. I think they are self-explanatory, but here is this withdraw button. This listing is currently published, so it is searchable and visible on the client side. But if I withdraw it, it won't be anymore. Let's check it out. Go to search, London. And you can't see here anymore. Of course, if I go to the my listings, I can access it because I am the agent of this property, so I can edit it. This icon shows that it is not published right now, so I can click it. It navigates to the edit panel. Of course, I can do some edit here if I want, but if I'm ready, I can click the publish icon, which is the same as here done. So I click it, and now it's published. I can go back to the search panel. And now it is in the results. Okay, let's view the image handling. Click the edit button. On the left context menu, click the images, and we are scrolled down to the images section. Here you can see the already uploaded images. The orange house button indicates that this is the main image. I can change it easily. Just click on another house icon. Now this is the main image. If I go back, I can see that now the main image has changed. Let's just go back to the edit, to the images. Here you can drop files. I will show you. Just select the images you would like to upload. You can select multiple images and just drop here, and it's done. The images have been already uploaded. It is very easy, and if you go back and open it, you can see that the images are here. Of course, you can select the newly uploaded image as a main image. Just click to the home icon, and that indicates that this is the main image now. Here you can see images. Image deletion is very easy to just click on these buttons. Click, and the image has been deleted. Yeah, let's just select this one and delete this. Now if you view the listing, you don't see the deleted images. There is another great feature that can help promote and diversify the listings. And you go to the edit page. Under the template settings, you can select the template. This template defines how the property or the listing is presented on the view page. So here we selected this large image. This is the template name, and if I view it, this is the template you have seen so far. And yeah, I think there are properties where one kind of representation is good, like this one, with this nice professionally made high resolution image. But there are other properties where another kind of representation is preferable. So this can be achieved easily here. You can create as many templates as you want, and just choose the one you like. I have changed it, save it, and if I view, I see now different representation of the same property. Of course, the template is almost the same. I have just changed the top, but in real case, the whole template can be totally different. Okay, let's go back. So with this template setting, it is the agent's choice to choose the right template for the right property. As you can see, I can edit all the properties, even though I'm not the agent of the property. Like you see this one, the agent is Luciferan, but I have edit rights, I can edit it. This happens because I am an admin user. But if I am an agent, I can edit my own properties only. So basically we are gonna need a feature that allow agents to edit other agents' listings. To achieve this, just click the edit button, and on the left panel click the edit rights. It will scroll down to the edit rights input group, and you will see a input field. It says additional users. Here you can select other users, agents or assistants, who will be able to edit your listings, even though you are the agent. Here Luciferan is set, so check it out. Let's just log in as Lucy, and if I navigate to the search page and search the listings, Lucy can view all the listings, but the edit button only appears on her own listings, where Luciferan is the agent, and the one where the listing has been shared with her. And if I click the share with me menu here, I will see this one. The agent is Tom, but as Lucy, I am able to edit it. If I modify something and save, it's done. You can check it here. Okay, I'm gonna log in back as Tom, because I will need admin user to show you the next feature. Let's just navigate to the edit panel. It doesn't matter which property. And you can see here a lot of lists. These are predefined lists, and the user can select an item from this list, like the climate control, or the electricity, freshwater source, property type, style. So these are predefined lists, and an admin can edit and add new items to these lists. Here under the listing properties, these lists can be managed. So if I click to the property type, I see the available property types here. If I go back, I can check other lists like the accessibility features, for example. Here are the accessibility features. And if I change this property here, like let's modify it to condo 999, update it, go back to the list, and it has been updated to condo 999. Here, all the condos have been updated to condo 999. And of course, if I add the new one, like I will just add the new property type here, and save it. It's on the list now. And if I go to the edit mode, I can select the new property type and of course save it. So after the save, I see this is a new property type for sale. I think this is a nice way to maintain those lists and just avoid the typing errors. And it is much easier for the agents to just select from the list instead of typing all these properties. So that's all for now. More cool features and updates on this one coming. So if you don't wanna miss them, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to know how can I help your business or your development project, just contact me. We will talk about the options. Thank you for your time. I hope you liked it. See you next time.